I'm being plagued with nozzle clogs. And so I went and found that somebody designed a Bambu nozzle adapter for the SV08. So I put the only extra Bambu nozzle I had, a 0.6 on here. And I went through and did everything I need to do. I do have some screw alignment problems I need to address. But let's see if here we can get the... It's got to heat up. Just a second. It's alive. I use the SV08 cooling fan, thermistor, and heater block, ceramic heater. And the cord on the here's a little tight, but other than that, let's see how it works. Missing a couple nuts that I needed to lock everything down. Made a trip to the Home Depot. They had it. Installed it. Printed a solid one with adjusted holes out of ABS. Assembled it up, and this is our first print. Now, I'm just adjusting my first layer right now. But we're going through and we're going to run this. We'll see how it turns out. See how it does. I have no doubt it'll handle the throughput of the flow. I'm just wondering how that ABS block's going to hold up in there over time.